Mahindra introduced the BS6-compliant Bolero facelift in India last year, with prices starting at Rs 7.76 lakh, ex-showroom Mumbai. The model is available in three variants including B4, B6 and B6 optional. It has been featuring in best-selling SUVs in last few months. The BS6 Mahindra Bolero facelift is powered by a BS6-compliant 1.5-litre M-Hog diesel engine that produces 75 bhp at 3600 rpm and 210 Nm of torque between 1600 to 2200 rpm. The engine is paired to a 5-speed manual transmission. We bring you the list of Mahindra Bolero genuine accessories with pricing which will not only enhance your Bolero but also keep it safeguarded. Bolero rear mud flap set for B4, B6 and B6 optional. This will cost you Rs 305. Bolero chrome front grille garnish. Subtle and attractive chrome add-on for your vehicle. Superior quality 40 micron chrome plated accents. Easy to install using prefixed double-sided tape. Perfectly matches the contours of the base part, giving a premium look to the SUV. This will cost you Rs 1400. Bolero headlamp chrome. It will cost you Rs 800. Bolero tail lamp chrome. This set of tail lamp chrome will cost you Rs 1575. Bolero Sporty front bumper add-on. High strength blow molded ABS front bumper add-on to give sporty look to your vehicle, matching with vehicle profile and zero gap between parts. This will cost you Rs 6775. Bolero fog lamp kit. These uniquely designed fog lamps fit snugly into the front bumper. Easy to operate, they don't just aid driving in dark and foggy conditions, they even add an unmistakable allure to your Bolero. This will cost you Rs 3141. Bolero printed carpet mat. Soft and durable high GSM material for a lasting protection. Unique vehicle badging for an exclusive experience. This will cost you Rs 2250. Bolero BS6 fog lamp chrome garnish. High quality ABS material with 40 micron chrome plating, chrome finish. This will cost you Rs 360. Bolero ABS roof rail set. Stylish dual tone ABS roof rail set to add your Bolero design, made from high quality ABS plastics. This will cost you Rs 3795. Bolero BS6 chrome ORVM with LED reflector. This will cost you Rs 1515. Bolero Essential Kit. Now get all the essential accessories in a single kit and save the time in searching the accessories. Matching with vehicle exterior body colors which increase sporty look of your vehicle. Add a dazzle of accessories with attractive price discount over the individual parts. This will cost you Rs 2146. So guys, these are some of the shortlisted accessories for your Mahindra Bolero. Do let us know in the comment section if you want to know about any other accessory. And also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.